It's so amazing that, you're such a big personality, you're so famous, but still you're so down to earth. You're very actively involved in many service projects as well, and you're also a part of the Art of Living organization, and now you're a teacher yourself. So tell us a bit about that aspect of your life.
I wanted to become more helpful, and I was more rigid, I was more tired, I was stressed out and not being well because of all the stress that I took on. But when I did the Art of Living program, it made me far more a better substance to be offering help with. I was out there with a smile on the face. I had more energy. I had more to do stuff, and I never got tired from it. That service aspect has significantly been contributed with my Art of Living practice now, and I'm saying a one world family, we have to contribute to this whole society. And even in New Zealand, I'm still trying to help and do something for the Maori Pacific Island community, because these are the people who are the natives of here, and they have allowed us to have their space, and we need to contribute to New Zealand on a whole too.
Well, you were talking about contribution, and I think you have made a big contribution by donating your kidney to your mum. Do you want to talk about that and tell us a bit about your experience?
It's very, very delicate subject, but what I always feel that it's grace of God that it had planned in my life. It was in my destiny, and to see my mother suffer, and here I was doing all these external things, was never doing something at home, and they said like charity begins at home. And when I figured out, just by coincidence, that my brother's kidney would not match, and it happened to be that we went for tests and they said it would match, and they asked me a whole lot of questions around the operation time, that are you still willing to go ahead with this operation? Are you sure you're not doing this for any other reason to donate your kidney? And I said no, because in our tradition, we never say no to these things to our parents, because our parents are gods. And it turned out to be that when we went for the operation, I got out early, and a couple of hours later my mother, who was in another operation theatre receiving the kidney, and they said as soon as the things were connected, and she passed urine normally, which was amazing. That operation was successful, and thereafter, of course, there was a recovery. My recovery was faster than hers, but now to see her, a lot of people can contribute their kidney, because we have two organs, and you can survive on one kidney, and I'm happy that she's happy, and a lot other people could be inspired to do something like that for their parents or anybody in the community for that matter.
And now, before I let you go, Hemant, any last message that you would like to give to all the people watching us right now?
My back of my mind, there is a vision to see that we have a safer community. New Zealand as being, it's been very, very well reputed for its nature, and now we have wonderful people. And the mix of people we have in New Zealand, it's amazing. We have people from all across the world, and they are all living so harmoniously. And one thing I say that people should feel out there, that they are part of the community, they should contribute to the community, and they should never feel that, oh, this is not for me, this is not my event, or this is not my organization, or this is not my thing. This is yours. New Zealand has opened its doors. We all come here, and we can be part of this community where we are renowned in the world. Now we're known for what we are in the world. And all I can say is that through our hard work, through our contribution, we can make a difference. And I feel that we can make people out of their misery. We can bring a smile on their face. We are sharing the sweets of Diwali. We are meeting each other, hugging each other on the festival of Eid, and bringing the closeness together. We are playing with the colors of Holi together. It's all growing, it's all being part of one, and that's the main thing that I just say, feel one, and be the contributing one.
Well, thank you so much for your time, Hemant, and thank you for being a part of Cha Personality. All the best for your future, and thank you once again.
Thank you.
So that's all for Cha Personality. I'll see you again next week with another personality. Till then, take care and keep watching.